Good morning, children. Welcome to the today's class. Today we are going to explain about the 7.2 exercise. That is the third sum I am going to explain. So in the third sum, first of all, we are going to discuss about once again we are going to discuss about the section formula. So already we proved section formula day before yesterday class. Here now section formula Px comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now in this section formula, by the section formula we are going to get the midpoint formula. That's very important. That's why I am going to recall the section formula. From the section formula to we are going to get the midpoint formula also. One more formula, that is how we are going to get the midpoint formula. Now once you have to verify that, here it is. AB is the line segment, A x1 y1, B x2 y2. P is the dividing point of the line segment AB in the ratio of 1:1. 1:1 means where is the P? P is the midpoint of A and B. So why is it the midpoint? The distance, AB distance, it is the 1 ratio. And PB distance also it is the 1. So that's why it is a AB equals to PB means 1 and 1. It is a AB distance equals to 1 meter. Suppose PB distance equals to 1 meter. That's why P is the dividing point. P is the midpoint now. P is the midpoint of AB. That's why here it is, I have told you, in the section formula, P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2, I said. Instead of M1, M2 now, M1 means what? Here now M1 equals to 1, M2 equals to 2. Sir, why sir M1 equals to 1 and M2 also it is the 1? Why means P is the midpoint now. It is not 2:1 or 1:2. P is the midpoint. Midpoint means 1 unit and here also 1 units. So you can write down now, therefore this is the section formula Px comma y equals to M1 means 1 and x2 as usual 1 into x2 plus M2 means also 1 into x1. So m1 plus m2, 1 plus 1. Here also m1 y2, m1 means 1 and plus m2 means 1 only into y1, m1 plus m2, 1 plus 1. Therefore x2 plus x1, 1 plus 1, 2. x2 plus x1 means x1 plus x2, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Whatever it is. Here also x2 plus x1 or x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 by 2. Here also y2 plus y1, that means y1 plus y2. Here therefore Px comma y equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is also known as the midpoint formula. By this midpoint formula we are going to find out the third problem. This is the section formula, this is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula we are going to get from the section formula. This is very important formulas. Now here it is the third problem. This is exercise 7.2. Here now this is the ABCD is a rectangular sports ground. ABCD, it is a rectangular sports ground. So on this one now here is the A to B is the 1 meter distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next here it is 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. This is the AD point. AD. AD 1 meter from each other along AD. So 100 flower pots, that is 100 flower pots means here is the here 1 meter distance. Here 1 flower pot, like the second flower pot, third one, fourth one. This is 1 meter distance now. The total distance how much it is? AD it is now. So now here the Niharika and Preet, they are running on that. Niharika runs 1/4 of 1/4 of the distance AD. On the distance of AD 1/4. So Niharika is running 1/4 and on the second line this is okay, second line and 1/4. Second line means this is the x equals to 2. Now y equals to 1/4 of AD. That's why here Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line. So here 1/4 AD. AD means how much it is? AD equals to 100 meters. Here now it is given 100 flower pots, that is the 100 meters. It is there AD 100 into 1/4 into 100 units. 1 by 4 into 80 means 25. This is AD. This belongs to the vertical line, that is. Now, what is the horizontal line? Where C is now? That is the Niharika second line. Therefore, second line and 25. This is on AD. AD means this is the vertical. This is the x-axis. X coordinate 2 and y coordinate 25. Like that only Preeti runs on 1/5 of the distance AD. 1/5 of distance AD means where is the Preeti now? Here it is on 8th line. So this is the 1/5 of 8th line. This is the 8th line. Here also one more flag it is there. It is coming. We can draw it. So here is the just I am writing P. P means the Preeti runs on the 1/5 the distance of AD. Here it is there. That is a x value A and y value means 1 by 5 of AD. AD equals to 100. So this is the 1 by 5 into AD. This is 5 into 5 ones are 5, 20. Sir. Here on 8th line, that means 8 is the x equals to 8 and y equals to 20. Therefore, the place of now Preet place equals to here. So you can come to here. Preet place equals to 8 comma 20. 8 comma 20. Therefore, distance between these two we have to find out. Here second line, who is there? Second line Niharika. 8th line it is the Preet is there. So between these two, then what is the distance between these two flags? This is one flag, Niharika flag. This is the Preet flag. Distance between these two means distance formula. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What are the given 2 points? This is the Niharika point, second line. Then from the distance of 25 on the AD, and next here Preet is the 8th line and 20. x1, y1 and x2, y2. Distance between two flags equals square root of x1 minus x2. 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square. So 8 minus 2 means 6 square, that is 6, that we are writing. 20 minus 25 means minus 5 whole square, minus 5 whole square means 25. 36 plus 25 square root of 61 meters. That is the distance between two flags. This is equal to square root of 61. The one more girl is there. Rashmi is there. Rashmi has to post a blue flag between these two flags. Between these two flags. These two flags are 2 and 8. So first two flags. 2 on second line. Between 2 means what is it? 2 plus 8, how much it is? 10. 10 by 2 means 5. On the 5th line, she is going to, just here I am going to, that means, so between these two means midpoint formula. That's why I have explained here. This is the midpoint formula. You have to apply that. The midpoint formula, what is that? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here the given 2 points are x1, y1, x2, y2. Here x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2, 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 by 2, y1 plus y2. y1 value 25, y2 value 20. 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20 means 45. 10 by 2 means 5. 45 by 2 means 22.5. Now, Rashmi has to post the blue flag on 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters. 5th line means here now. On the 5th line, she is going to 22.5 meters distance. On the vertical line, she is going. She is going to post the blue flag on 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters. Thank you. Have a nice day. Based on these concepts, some formulas, problems will be given in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.